So here I am at Illuminart. I'm about to have some soldering lessons. It's in the port, opposite the port markets.
The 3 rules of soldering. They're very important, and they are clean, clean, and clean. Okay, so I've got a little pad here, and I keep my soldering iron nice and clean at all times. We're using leaded solder, which they don't use in industry anymore, but for home use it's fine. Tinning is where you add solder into the wire to start. I put that onto a joint and then I try to add solder to that. The solder is trying to run into the wire and into the joint at the same time. First thing I do is I put a little bit of solder on the iron, right? That's just to allow a bit of conductivity.
Okay.
And you see that if I pull that away, nothing's there. Well, nothing's left on the wire, right? So really that solder is not going to leave the soldering iron. But I put some on just so that it conducts heat better.
Okay.
Because it's a liquid, right? And then
I see. So that heats the wire up, and then from there you add the solder to the wire.
Yeah, that's a lovely little bit of tinning. The bend point is
further down.
There.
Yeah.
So the solder has actually gone into the insulation slightly. Now that's important because as the wire is moved, anything if it was wire to there, that wire would be bending on a 90-degree angle and would break. Now I can bend that wire all day and
it's not going to break.
You can't push the wire down with the soldering iron, because it's going to bounce back up. The wire's always got to want to be going to where you push it.
Yep.
So you've got to have tension on it. Even when you're soldering, you need to be ready to burn yourself, because you will.
Oh, I don't like doing that. Last time I burnt my finger, it was on a glass of hot absinthe.
Done that. Never cheers.
No.
With absinthe. Never go, yay!
Yeah, no.
Bad idea.
Never touch the glass. Wait for 5 minutes for it to cool down.
Hitting that solder on the pad, and you see that now just sucked it straight in.
Oh.